Hello, welcome to the Emerge New Unlimited LLC YouTube channel. Today we're going to start the first of a four-part series talking about investing in yourself. Investing in yourself creates stronger sense of pride and it also creates financial stability. Who doesn't want that? Number one, we want to create or add to our emergency fund. First, if you don't have an emergency fund, it's imperative that you do get one. And if you have one, see, can you add a little bit to what you're already putting into it? The purpose of an emergency fund is to eliminate or decrease an emergency. Life happens. Your tires go out. You have medical emergencies. And if you put a little bit away, it helps. For instance, if you have a $500 emergency and at least you have $300 saved, you're only $200 from where you need to be, versus if you have a $500 emergency and you don't have anything saved, you've got to go from 0 to 500, which can hurt you in your other expenses because it takes from something that you already need to pay. Number two, short-term goals. Let's talk about short-term goals to create this emergency fund. You want to decide on a date and an amount. The date would be when you want to accomplish this goal, and the amount would be how much it's going to take to get you to that goal. For instance, if you say you wanted to have $300 in 6 months or 12 months, you want to divide that up by the number of months to determine how much you need to put away each month or each week or bi-weekly. You can do it by the month like you're paying a bill, or you can do it each time you get paid. Number three, a long-term goal. A long-term financial goal would be, let's say you're saving for, you're going to need a roof on your house next year, you're going to need tires before the end of the year, or you just want to go on vacation to the Bahamas or just whatever. You want to plan for that. Christmas, we know that it comes at the same time each year. The same thing as your short-term goal. You want to determine from now to when you need to meet your goal and divide it up by the month, bi-weekly, or weekly, however you want to divide it up to reach that goal. The important thing is don't set your savings goals too high. A lot of people do this. And I mean, don't say, you know what, I'm going to put away $200 every week or every other week or once a month. You know what? You cannot afford to do that starting out. Don't put away something that you have to constantly dip back into because it'll be like a yo-yo. You don't need that. Start with the small goal and increase it. So let's say $25 per paycheck, $50 per paycheck, so that you can see your funds building. So remember, you want your short-term goal for your emergency fund and you want your long-term goal for expenses that are going to come down the road. And number four, open your savings account, deposit in it faithfully. It's about being consistent. Most people want a lot of money at one time, or some people say, I can't save. Well, you know what? Yes, you can. Henry Ford said, if you think you can't, you're right. But if you think you can, then you are right. You either can or you can't. It's whatever you think you can do. Well, guess what? I believe in you, and I think that you can if you just get started. So open up that separate savings account. Open up something that you don't use for anything else. Even if you open it up at a different bank, you maybe have your checking account at one bank. Open your savings account at a different bank, an online bank, something that you don't have easily access to, and start putting that money away today. Invest in yourself. You pay your mortgage, you pay your rent, you pay your phone bill, you pay all of these bills, and all of these people pay yourself. It's imperative, and I know that you can do it. I have faith in you. Now, please stay tuned for the next part of our series. This is the first of a four-part series. Subscribe to the button below so you'll know when the next update is available. Follow us on Instagram at Emerge New You, and also follow us on Facebook at Emerge New Unlimited LLC. Thank you for joining our series, and we look forward to hearing your comments below down in the bottom. If you have questions, please leave your questions and your comments. Look forward to seeing you again soon. Have a great day.